Locus of centroid of a triangle whose vertices are given. Actually, locus problems are very lengthy, but there is a easier way to tackle the questions. Here, first you should. So what he given for us in this problem is a cos t comma a sin t. So another point here, b sin t minus b cos t. So other point is 1 comma. So centroid locus. As t changes, you have a triangle changes, centroid changes. So the locus depends on the value of t. But whatever may be the t, different centroids you get, but that centroid must satisfy the options. What I am doing is, for easier purpose, I choose t as 0. Then I have a 0, b 0 minus b 1 comma. Here a b also arbitrary. What I choose is a as 3, a as 2, right? 2. Why 2 means while finding centroid, a plus 1 by 3 comma minus b by 3. If I choose a as 2, 3 by 3 calculations easy, b as 3, then centroid becomes 1 comma minus 1. That 1 comma minus 1 must satisfy. First equation, if I substitute 2 square plus 3 square, a square minus b square, which does not satisfy. Second option, if I take, so x as 1, 2 square plus 3 square, a square plus b square, definitely satisfies. So second option is correct. If the axis rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the relation between capital X and small x, when axis turned through an angle theta, here it is cos theta minus sin theta, y is sin theta cos theta. He given coordinates in the new system. He is asking coordinates in the old system. So capital X root 2 capital Y 4. He is asking x comma y. X here is x cos theta minus y sin theta. Root 2 theta 45, y sin theta 1 by root 2. So which is 1 minus 2 root 2. No need of finding y. You can find it. But there is only one option which satisfies whose first coordinate is 1 minus 2 root. So angle between the diagonals of a cube, it is standard question, but still here 0, 0, 0. It is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So say this is O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. OG is one diagonal. If I consider as a unit cube, G coordinates will be 1, 1, 1. So OG one diagonal, which is and face diagonal means this is an XZ plane whose Y coordinate is 0. So OB is a face diagonal whose coordinates are 1, 0, 1. So angle between this is a cube diagonal, this is face diagonal. Angle between these two is theta, cos theta A dot B by mod A mod B. Here we get 1, 0, 1 by root 3, root 2, root of 2 by 3. Second option is correct. Equation of a sphere. Concentric with the sphere and passing through 1 comma 1 comma 2. Here center, it's like a circle only. 2u is minus 6. 2v is 4. 2w is 2. UVW 2v is 4. UVW will be minus 3 to 1. The center is 3 minus 2 1. This becomes radius. Radius is 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. 10 root 14. So the circle equation x minus 3 whole square, y minus 2 whole square. Here it is 3 minus 2 minus 1. So it will be 9. 3 square, 9, 18, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. So root 22 whole square. Here z minus, simplifying, x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 4y. Here it is y plus 2 whole square. 6x plus 4y plus 2z. Here this is the only option. So remaining just simplification purpose we can write. So fourth option is correct. Here the straight lines are concurrent. Here it is x times y minus 1. So here in this equation you have two lines. Solving those two we get the point. That point you substitute here. A plus 2 minus 3 0. A becomes 1. So product of perpendiculars means just substituting point in this 0 0 0 everywhere by root of formula a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So it is 4 by a minus a is 2, b is 3, 2h is 5, 4h square will be this. So 4 by root 26. The point which is equidistant from 1, 2 and 3, 5, which is equidistant from the given points. Here is a line. So that line equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5, 0. Here we have 2 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is alpha, beta is a point which is equidistant from the given lines. So that means PA is PB. So alpha minus 1 whole square plus beta minus 2 whole square is alpha minus 3 whole square plus beta minus 4 whole square. So alpha square, beta square get cancelled. Minus 4 beta plus 5 is 8 beta, 9 plus 16, 25. 4 alpha plus 4 beta is 20. Alpha plus beta is 5. It is not satisfying. It is not satisfying. It is also not satisfying. Fourth option. In case one more option satisfies, another condition is that alpha beta lies on that. Here, these are the, here this equation represents two lines which are passing through origin. So then you have bm square x square plus 2hx mx plus ax square 0. After simplification, you get 2hm plus a0. So sum of the slopes, if we say two slopes are m dash, so one maps to b. Product of the slopes is a by b. So dash, this is not 2, it is a by b. So second option, m plus m dash by mm dash will be minus 2h by b, 2h by a. This is so fourth option, obviously. So 1b, 2c, 3d, 4a. Second option. Here limit extends to 0, root 2 sine square x by root 2x. Extends to 0, root 2 mod sine x by root 2x. But whenever mod is there, you have to find one-sided limits. You get plus 1, 0 minus, you get minus. One-sided limits are not equal. Limit does not exist. Here, once it is continuous function, limit extends to 0, fx is f0. Tends to 0 means not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means this function we have to take by root 2 minus root of 1 plus cos x, which is continuous means f of 0 k log 2 log. This one limit extends to 0, 9 power x minus 1, 8 power. So what I am doing is multiplying and dividing with this. Here limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is log a. So log 9 into log 8. Your limit extends to 0, x square by root 2 minus root of 1 plus cos x is k log 2 log 3. So here I can write log 9 is log 3 square, 2 log 3, here 2 cube, 3 log 2 into, here rationalize it, limit extends to 0, root 2 plus root of 1 plus cos x. After rationalization, we get k log 2 log 3. Log 2 get cancelled, log 3 get cancelled. Here it is 6 times, limit extends to 0. Once you substitute 0 here, root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2 by 1 minus cos x is equal to k, which implies 12 root 2. Applying a L'Hospital rule, 0 by 0 format, sin x, which is as limit extends to. So here k will be 24 root 2. Fourth option is correct. Here dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. In this case, put x as tan a, dy by dx by dt by dx. D by dx of, it is sine inverse sine 2a, which is 2a. So it becomes 2 tan inverse x. Here, if you put x as tan a by 1 plus tan square is secant a. So which is sine a, sine inverse sine a. Sine inverse sine a, which is a. A is nothing but tan inverse x. So what we get is 2 we get. That means dy by dx is 2. Is dy by dt, then dy by dt will be 2 times dx by dt. So this is the correct option. Okay, dy by dx only 2 times dt by dx. Here f dash x will be a plus x into 2x minus x square by a plus x whole square, x square plus 2ax by x plus a whole square. F double dash x will be x plus a whole square into 2x plus 2a minus x square plus 2ax 2 times x plus a by x plus a whole power 4. F double dash a will be a plus a 2a whole square, 2a plus 2a. Here 2a square plus a square, 2 times 2a by 16a power 4. 16 minus 12, 4a cube by 16a power 4, which is 1 by 4a. Here if you differentiate with respect to x, we get secant square by dy by dx, which is e power cos 2x into cos x plus sin x, e power cos 2x into cos 2x derivative minus sin 2x into 2. So here it is, dy by dx is e power cos 2x cos x, e power cos 2, here it is, minus 2 sin x e power cos 2x into sin 2x into 2 root tan y whole divided by secant square y. E power cos 2x cos x minus 2 sin x 2 root tan y by secant square y, which is equal to e power cos 2x is root tan y by sin x into 2 root tan y by secant square y cos x minus 2 sin 2x, which is 2 tan square y tan y by secant square y cos x by sin x minus 2 sin 2x by this whole thing is sin 2y cot x. It is sin 2 into 2 sin x cos x. Here sin x into sin 2x, right? Sin x into sin x get cancelled out. 2 sin 2x, that is 2 sin 2x left over. First option. Here a source of light which is hung at A above the straight horizontal road. A boy of height B meters is walking. Here is a light. Boy is here, shadow will be here. Suppose boy started walking and a shadow will be here. So this is X, it is Y. So Y is length of shadow. Dy by dt is rate at which shadow is lengthening. So dx by dt is speed of the boy by similar triangles. y by y plus x is b by a. Y by y plus x is b by. How fast a shadow means what we dy by dt. Ay is equal to by plus bx. A minus b dy by dt is b dx by dt. And how fast shadow he is walking. So man's speed, boy's speed is c. That means here a minus b into speed of the shadow is bc. So speed of the shadow will be bc by a minus b beta. Here you have a curve. Y x power n is a power n plus 1. Here is a point. This is a tangent. So area of the triangle formed by the tangent and coordinate axis. To find out area, you should know line AB equation. To that we have to find slope. Taking log y, both sides for this, log a power n plus 1. So 1 by y dash equal to n by x. Here. Y dash is minus ny by x. So here it is. Say this point is x1 comma y1. Y minus y1 is x minus x1. This is the tangent equation. For A is a point on x-axis, y is 0. Minus ny1 by x1 into x minus x1. Get cancelled. So x minus x1 is equal to x1 by n. x1 1 plus 1 by n. So 1 plus 1 by n. Therefore, getting b, y is 0. B is a point on y-axis, x is 0. x1 get cancelled. Y1 into 1 plus n. So area will be half x1 into 1 plus 1 by n, y1 into 1 plus n. This anyhow constant kx1 y1 by 2. Here x1 power n, y, it's a point on the curve. So this one is k by 2. x1, y1 is a power n plus 1 by x power n, which is k by 2 into a power n plus 1 x power. So is constant provided 1 minus n is 0. So that is n equal to 1 is there. The function increases in the interval means f dash x will be minus 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 must be greater. So that means x square by 1 plus x square. For all x it is positive. Here it is number of terms in the expansion is n plus r minus 1 cr. 8 plus 4 minus 1 c4. 12 minus 1 11 c3. 11 10 9 by 3 2. 15 into 11 165. Once it is a perfect square, discriminant is 0. Minus 4 times a plus 1 by 4 0. A minus 1 whole square is 4 into 1 by 4. So A0 satisfies 2 here it is a minus 1 whole square, right? Minus 4 times a plus 1 by 4. So this is a square minus 6a plus 1 minus 1. So a value 0 or 6. Here, both the roots of the quadratic equation are less than 5. Here it attains minimum minus b by 2a. Condition 1, minus b by 2a must be less than 5 and f of 5 is positive. So that is 2k by 2 less than 5, k less than 5. Here f of 5 is positive. 25 minus 10k plus k square plus k minus 5 greater than k square minus 9k, that is k less than 4 or k more than 5. The common part less than 5 and less than 4. So the common part is minus infinity to 4. Here, when he asks reciprocal squares of sum of reciprocal roots, alpha is a root of this. So here, let us assume alpha as 1 by y. Then we get here 1 by y power 4, 4 by y square minus 1 by y plus 2, 0. 1 minus 4y square minus y cubed plus 2y power 4, 0. 2y power 4 minus y cubed. For this equation, for this alpha is root. For this 1 by alpha is 0. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 is sigma 1 by alpha, which is minus y cube coefficient by y power. Y1 square plus y2 square plus y3 square plus y4 square. This is what we require. And the sigma y1, y2, if you take minus 4 by 2, that is 2. That means y1, y2, y3, y4, y1, y2, y1, y3, y1, y2, y3, y2, y4, that is y1, y4, y2, y3, y2, y4, y3, y4 is minus 2. So this expression I can write y1 plus y2 whole square, y3 plus y3 plus y4 whole square minus 2 times y1 plus y2 into y3 plus y4, which is equal to y1 y1 square, y2 square, y3 square, y4 square plus 2y1 y2 plus 2y3 y4. This whole square is 1 by 4. So this and this together is minus 2, which is equal to sigma yi square. So sigma yi square is 17 by 4. Here 1 is double the roots. Sum of the roots must be minus 46 by 24. So 3 alpha plus beta is minus 23 by 12. So product of the roots 2 alpha square beta is minus 9 by 24, 3 by 8. Here, if you take minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 3, if you multiply it, you get 3 by 8.